All right, things have calmed down in the forecast in central Ohio.
Yeah, for sure.
Things have moved on.
It was a pretty crazy afternoon. You know, we were interviewing Erin Curtis. I've known Erin since high school.
Wow.
And she owns the insurance office out there in Newark. And that's the reason we were cutting in all afternoon. To let you know that these storms were coming. They had 100-mile-an-hour winds, the possibility of tornadoes, flash flooding. I mean, they had everything going, and that's, you know, when it's serious like that, that's what we do. And so all that is cleared away now. Now we're out of the, you know, the bullseye here in Central.
Seeing the results of it too.
And things have definitely settled down. We picked up a lot of rain here. And where you see the blue on this map, that is at least an inch. And there's a lot of those locations. So the storm started here. They built over central Ohio north, and then they rolled right through Licking County, northern Fairfield, then out I-70 towards Zanesville, dropping 3-4 inches of rain in some places. There was a lot of flash flooding with that event. So this is what's left. Yes, there's still a little storm right here coming out of Franklin towards Licking County right there. But by and large, all the big stuff has moved off towards the east, and it's moving away very quickly at this hour. So let me zoom in on this one little storm cell towards Pataskala, Reynoldsburg, just to the east of Gahanna. Definitely loaded with some downpours, not showing any lightning, 0 strikes at this point, but definitely some heavy rain. Off to the east, you've got the green box, which is a flash flood warning. Obviously, we've had a ton of rain, but still storming out here, Caldwell and Interstate 77. Now the rain chances are dropping off very, very quickly, especially after 6 o'clock towards 8. The percentages all drop past 10% down to 0, and it should be a dry overnight. Over the next 12 hours, there it is. I mean, you can see the skies will clear overnight, and temperatures will drop from the 70s and into the 60s as well. The humidity, we've got a couple of really nice days coming at us. Wednesday and Thursday, comfortable. Even Friday is going to be in this comfortable category. Then the humidity will start to creep up over the weekend into early next week. Here is our forecast radar and satellite. So what's left over will continue to slide down towards the east and away from central Ohio. And then overnight tonight, we go very, very dry at 11, and then skies will clear overnight into the morning rush hour tomorrow. Tomorrow, I have no big weather coming in at all. Low temperatures tonight will be a mixture of 50s and even 60s here across central Ohio. High temperatures tomorrow, all in the 70s. Less humidity, a lot of sunshine, just a totally dry day. Here's your 10 weather impact 7-day forecast. So all the way to the end of the week, it's dry. 2 days in the 70s. Enjoy that. Friday in the 80s. And then over the weekend, Saturday looks dry, 84. Sunday in the upper 80s. Slight chance of an afternoon storm Sunday, Monday, and also Tuesday. But all days remaining below 90. Stacia, Jeff.
Chris, thanks for that.